IREA Industrial's Test Technology Research Center was established to lead the test technology of electric motors and generators, which is the core of the future mobility industry. It is contributing to strengthening the competitiveness of the domestic electric industry by meeting various test needs of customers and providing reliable test data. In the Test and Technology Research Center, a total of 4 laboratories are established, of which 1 laboratory provides a KOLAS-certified test service. The remaining 3 laboratories are independent spaces and provide test services that support equipment, space, and technical personnel. The test service is operated by developing test technology related to electric motors and generators, leasing test equipment installation space, and, if necessary, professional test personnel from the industry. In addition, IREA Industry is preparing for coding technology training. It is a small experimental device that can precisely measure and analyze the performance of BLDC motors and propellers used in real drones. Students control the motor through coding, can see the resulting thrust, RPM, current, and voltage data in real time, and learn the core principles of drones. Do you still only learn coding on screen? Your coding creates the power of the motor. Companies that go beyond simple coding learning to develop the capabilities needed for future engineers. This is how the industry is made. Let me introduce the coding technology training that IREA Industries is preparing. The coding results do not end simply with changes in the screen, but are shown as real-time graphs through the GUI. Adjusting PWM values provides a quick view of how RPM and thrust change and how voltage and current increase-decrease accordingly. Beyond simple coding practices, this Kyobo is designed to foster engineering thinking. Students learn how to control the rotational speed of a motor through PWM values. They analyze data, such as thrust versus power consumption, and think about how to optimize efficiency. Students can learn basic firmware coding by writing the basic operating characteristics: LED on-off operation, variable resistance, interlocking LED, dimming buzzer operation, LDC display. Students can also modify the provided firmware code themselves to add new functions. For example, you can use the preset PWM button to drive the motor step by step or create your own measurement sequence. Data visualization education through GUI will be a convergence education center where students learn coding, physics, and engineering at once. The GUI is the most powerful weapon of this product, and the coding results are shown in real time on a graph, showing the direct causal relationship between coding and physical phenomena. It has educational value that prepares the product for the future, to be sure that it is not just a toy, but an accurate measurement tool. IREA Industry is playing an important role in the industry beyond education. Currently, electric vehicle drive motor H and AM drive motor H are using the service. In the case of electric vehicle drive motors, driving loss measurement tests are being conducted according to cooling conditions to improve driving efficiency. For example, increasing the amount of cooling oil can reduce the heat loss of the coil, but increase the rotational resistance, which can result in greater drive loss. As a result, tests are repeated under various variable conditions, and vast amounts of data are available to derive optimal cooling conditions. In the field of AM, we are conducting electric engine performance test services for next-generation mobile solutions. The customer manufactures test equipment and installs it in the Test Technology Research Center, and professional test personnel from the IREA industry are acting on behalf of the performance test of the electrical engine prototype. In the future, the Test Technology Research Center will grow into a specialized test platform in the field of electric driving systems through continuous expansion of test infrastructure and advancement of test technology. In addition, we plan to play a key role in the development of the future mobility industry by strengthening customized test support and data analysis services.